Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and I am so excited because today is the fourth day of STEAM Week. It is Think About It Thursday. For today's challenge, we are going to be building a tower. What kind of a tower are we going to build? Well, today's challenge is to build the tallest tower that you can. It must be at least 1 foot tall. The tower also needs to be strong enough to hold objects on the top, and the tower must be sturdy enough so that it does not fall over with the weight of the objects. So, what do we need for this challenge? To complete the challenge, you're going to need paper, tape, glue, cardboard, and objects to place on your finished tower. What are you going to do? First, you're going to think and plan. Think about how will you build the tower that will stand up and hold objects? What materials will you use? What shapes will you use to build the tower? Then you'll make a plan. Okay, I've been thinking about it and I have my plan ready to share with you. I am going to use scissors, tape, and paper. And then I thought I would make my tower with 3 rows of paper so it'll be tall. I think that's a good idea. Then I thought it's going to need something to support it so that it stands up and doesn't just flop over. So I'm going to make some little supports out of the paper that are square shaped so it stands up better. I also am going to use a cylinder shape for the tower so that it's round and looks like a tower. Then at the top, I thought I'd add another piece of paper so that it'll support weight, and I'll make some more of those little square shaped supports at the top. Now that I have my plan, let's see what we're going to do next. So next, you are going to get to build your tower. Please remember, if something's not working, try again. It's okay if you have to try more than once, and it's okay if your tower doesn't come out perfectly. It's always good when we learn things from what we do wrong. I'm going to go ahead and build my tower, and then I'll show you what I have when I'm all finished. Oh my goodness, so here I am trying to build my tower, and I think I've run into a problem. Look, it is not going to stay together like this. I need to think, what can I do to change it so that it stands up? Oh boy, I've got to go back and change my plan. I'll show you what I come up with next. Okay, I just finished building my tower. I had to make some adjustments to my original plan, but now I get to find out what we need to do next. Let's take a look. So next, we're going to test the tower and measure the tower. So first I'll measure it and then I'll test it and see how many objects it can hold and what different types of objects it can hold. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. So I'm gonna put my tower right here. Oh, that wind. So there's my tower and it's standing. Hopefully it stands for a little long enough I can put something on it. Oh, maybe it's not as sturdy as I thought. Well, the first thing I'll do though is measure it. How tall is it? It's 18 inches. 18 inches. That's more than 1 foot tall. So I met that part of the challenge. And look at it standing there. Okay, I got some fun toys I thought I'd put on it to see if it will hold the toys. So let's see. I'm gonna set one. Ooh, that worked. Let's see if it'll hold more than one. Two. Whoa, look at that. That's so cool. Three. Oh, there it goes. It's falling over. Well, it held two of my toys. I wonder if it'll hold a different object. Maybe I can try a book. Do you think it'll hold a book? Let's try that next. Okay, here is my book. Let's see if we can put that on my tower. Oh no, it wasn't sturdy enough to hold the book, but it did hold two of the toys. That was pretty cool. Now that I've completed my project, I need to think. Let's take a look at what we want to think about when we finish. So we want to think, how tall was your tower? Well, mine was 18 inches. That wasn't bad. How many objects did it hold? It just held two. What parts of the structure seem sturdy? I think for mine, the top was pretty sturdy, but the bottom wasn't that great. What parts need to be reinforced? Oh, I think it would have been good if I could have reinforced the inside of my tower. What would happen if you used different materials? How would this change your structure? I hope you have as much fun as I did with Thursday's challenge, and I hope to see you again very soon.